bought 8 of them, and here we are. You could come and visit and see them from the fence. That's not as close as we get.
I would not be a regular beef farmer. There would not be enough excitement.
Jay is one of these people who probably doesn't have as much fear as he should.
They're still a wild animal.
Personally, I don't think it's dangerous.
If they want to, they will run you over. And you better get out of the way.
I haven't had any close calls.
Every day I get to come in and see my associates out in the field, and working with the bison is totally unique.
Gunpowder Bison!